Hello everyone, welcome back to the Italian Language Studio. In the previous lesson, we learned 10 basic Italian greetings. Today, we are going to continue and learn 10 more useful Italian greetings and phrases that you can use in real conversations. Let's begin with a more polite way to say hello. How do we say hello in a formal way in Italian? We say
Salve,
Now repeat after me.
salve,
Again.
salve,
Perfect.
salve,
Is more polite than ciao. You can use it when you speak to someone you don't know, or in formal situations like shops, offices, or meetings. Number 2. When you meet someone and want to ask how they are, how do we say all good? Or are you okay? In Italian, we say
tutto bene?
Now repeat after me.
Tutto bene?
Again.
Tutto bene?
Perfect. You can use
Tutto bene?
with friends, family, or people you know well. It's a simple and friendly way to start a conversation. Number 3. When someone arrives and you want to say welcome, how do we say it in Italian? We say
Benvenuto,
or.
benvenuta,
Now repeat after me.
benvenuto, benvenuta,
Again.
benvenuto, benvenuta.
Perfect. It's a warm and friendly way to greet someone in Italian. Number 4. When you meet someone and want to ask casually how they are, how do we say how's it going? In Italian, we say
Come va?
Now repeat after me.
Come va?
Again.
Come va?
Perfect. You can use with friends or people you know. It's a relaxed and friendly way to start a conversation in Italian. Great job so far. Let's learn number 5. When you want to wish someone a nice day, how do we say have a good day in Italian? We say
Buona giornata.
Now repeat after me.
Buona giornata.
Again.
Buona giornata.
Perfect. You can use
Buona giornata.
when you are leaving someone, especially during the day. It's a kind and polite way to end a conversation. Number 6. Now let's learn a more polite way to say goodbye. When you are in a formal situation, like a shop, office, or meeting, how do we say goodbye in Italian? We say
Arrivederci.
Now repeat after me.
Arrivederci.
Again.
Arrivederci.
Perfect.
Arrivederci.
Is more polite than ciao. You can use it when speaking to people you don't know well or in formal situations. Number 7. When you are leaving someone but you will see them again soon, how do we say see you later in Italian? We say
A dopo.
Now repeat after me.
A dopo.
Again.
A dopo.
Perfect. You can use
A dopo.
when you plan to meet someone again later the same day. It's simple, friendly, and very common in Italian. Number 8. Now let's learn a warm and friendly phrase. When you meet someone and feel happy to see them, how do we say nice to see you in Italian? We say
Felice di vederti.
Now repeat after me.
Felice di vederti.
Again.
Felice di vederti.
Perfect. You can use
Felice di vederti.
when you meet someone you already know. It shows that you are happy to see them. Number 9. When you are leaving someone and you will see them the next day, how do we say see you tomorrow in Italian? We say
A domani.
Now repeat after me.
A domani.
Again.
A domani.
Perfect. You can use
A domani.
when you plan to meet someone the next day. It's simple, friendly, and very common in everyday Italian. Now let's learn the last one. In the afternoon, when you meet someone, how do we say good afternoon in Italian? We say
Buon pomeriggio.
Now repeat after me.
Buon pomeriggio.
Again.
Buon pomeriggio.
Perfect. You can use
buon pomeriggio.
when you meet someone in the afternoon. Amazing work today! Now you have even more confidence to greet people in Italian, morning, afternoon, and in everyday situations. Keep practicing these words every day. Even a few minutes can make a big difference. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson.
Ciao.